Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're customizing my MacBook with the Macos Tahoe update. Let's go ahead and get started. Screen recording is ready and I set the wallpaper to a solid background. So let's go to display first. Okay, we don't need display. We need desktop. No, we need, what do we need? Appearance. Tinted. And we're going to do purple. That's so pretty. Okay. Everything's tinted. Everything's tinted. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Okay, let's stay focused. Okay, menu bar. Show menu bar background. Do I like that? No, I don't. I like it to look like glass. Okay, and it's another thing that I want to customize, which is the lock screen. And I've been waiting to do that for my MacBook since I recently got this. It'll be a month in 3 days since I'm filming this September 11th. September 17th. Let's see. Clock appearance. I want to do that one. That's my favorite one. On lock screen. On lock screen and screensaver. Yeah, I haven't done screensaver yet. Screensaver after 5 minutes, 10, 15, 30. I'll say after 20 minutes. That's a sweet spot because sometimes I could be sitting here writing and I need this showing. Custom. Use screensaver custom, automatic. Let's do custom. Now, photo. And I want that as the lock screen so I can have the lock screen of what I want and then my wallpaper of choice. I will be going back to the fall wallpaper, but that'll be short form content with the tinted apps that color, and then my October wallpaper will be centered around my birthday since I'll be turning 23. Okay, lock screen. So we're gonna do make a new folder and do lock screen. Oh my gosh, I forgot the folders could be purple too. That is so cute. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna delete that one because that's gonna get on my nerves. And lock screen. Now from here, let's go back to photos, go to choose folder, and we're going to do lock screen. Choose shuffle slot order, no. Lock screen is set, and then my wallpaper is going to be style is classic. Okay, after 20 minutes, now we're going to do this. From there, I will research what I'm supposed to do because I am not sure. Look at all my files. Crazy, right? Let's turn off Stage Manager. I don't even know why that's on. And I love the look of the new menu bar. Oh, excuse me. Okay, let's go to System Settings right quick. And I'm going to turn off Stage Manager because I really don't need that on. Just automatic show. Let's put you right here, right? And then we're gonna do It's not just completely in the middle, like center anymore. Okay. Control center looks nice. I have so many options. This is what I was looking for. What's new on Mac? I don't want to run out of storage. Give your folders a look. New design for Mac. Germanium liquid glass. Appearance. I can't believe we have phone on iPad and Mac now. Vote, yeah. Command. So command space. Okay. I need to fix my. Okay, so I need to. What did I do? How did I get add Bible? Okay. I want to add. It was something else I wanted to add. I used to always do pictures on my old. Oh, they're not gonna let that be. They're not going to let that be purple. How is Chipotle on here? Like, why would I need Chipotle? Oh, it's syncing from my phone. That's still crazy though. I need the Chipotle out. I'm so weird. It's ridiculous. Why is it doing it? Why don't I go where I want it to go? No, this is fun. Especially like. So you have to keep the app open for it to work. So I'll turn that off. Ooh. Message effect. Type of message and send with the effect. Okay. Gmoji. I did that in my Apple iPad video, but we'll do it here too. So we're gonna do oh, these are all the ones I created. Okay, I want to do a heart with a smiley face and see what it comes up with. I don't know, that's so random. Yeah, that's cute for sure. For sure. Yep. Add. And I can send this in a group chat. Well, the chat or group chat, I don't know. But yeah, that's really cool. Okay, now the only problem I'm having now is I can't see the background. Okay, you can do voice chat. Hello. Let's see. Okay, you can do voice chat. Hello. That's cool. Okay. Okay, there it is. So you have to X out and do it again. And this is me with my new iOS Mac Tahoe 26 update. Let's give it a round of applause to Apple. So much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be sure to leave a couple more tips in the description box down below. Y'all have a great life and shout out to Apple. What a way to end the year. Bye.